Search Tayo the Little Bus on YouTube.
Tayo's Beep Beep Show! Part 3. We are going to the park. Hello, friends. I'm Tayo the Little Bus.
Hello, Tayo.
Hey, come on board. It's a beautiful day. Perfect for a nice walk in the park. How about it?
Yeah!
Ready? Then off we go!
Off we go!
Ta-da! We're here at the park.
Wow!
It's a fresh morning at the park. The leaves flutter in the whooshing wind and small birds are twittering from the tree branches.
Wow! The birds sound so lovely, don't they?
Yeah!
At that moment, they could hear the sound of a bicycle. Ah, here comes Duty riding his bike.
Tayo, what brings you to the park?
Hey, it's Duty! We came to take a walk.
Ah, I see.
You know how to ride a bike? That's awesome!
I can't ride that well. Dad is holding me from the back.
Your dad? Where? I don't see him.
What?
Duty looks behind him and was very surprised. His dad, who had just been holding on to his bicycle, was running towards them from far away.
Duty! Good job, Duty!
Eh?
I let go a long time ago, but you rode off all by yourself.
Really? I rode it all by myself? Wow!
Duty's heart jumped for joy now that he could ride his bicycle all by himself.
Great job, Duty!
Thank you.
A little dog passing by happily wagged his tail as if congratulating Duty too.
Wait, do you all hear that? The sounds from the park are combining into music.
You're right.
Let's sing along to the music.
Ring, ring, bicycle, riding through the park. Wind is blowing fresh, lovely morning at the park. Ring, ring, bicycle, riding through the park. Little birds are singing sweet, lovely morning at the park. Ring, ring, bicycle, riding through the park. Little dog barks happily, lovely morning at the park. Ring, ring, bicycle, riding through the park. Children laughing joyfully, lovely morning at the park.
Dad, I want to ride my bicycle some more. This time I'll start by myself.
Sounds good. It's okay if you fall. Just be confident. Got it?
Got it, Dad.
Duty looks nervous but pushes the pedals with all his might.
Yay, it works!
Though it was shaky at first, Duty's bicycle was soon whizzing away in the park.
Yahoo!
Wow! Duty, you're the best!
Tayo, friends! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Duty succeeded in riding his bicycle by himself. Friends, you can do it too. With a little practice, you'll be riding just like Duty in no time. We'll go on more adventures to discover more fun sounds again next time. Pinky swear!
Let's make a choo-choo train.
Come, gather round. Come on, make a chain. Everyone links up as one in a long line. Now we are a little train.
Come on.
Okay, follow the leader. Go left and go right. Follow all your friends.
Go forward, go forward.
Playing along makes our hearts
got it,
beat as well. Choo-choo train is a fun game. Let's go around. Chugga, chugga, chug, chug, chug. Side to side, chugga, chugga. Let's go faster. Now we are a little train. Yeah! Come, gather around. Come on, make a chain. Everyone links up as one in a line. Now we are a little train. Follow the leader. Go up and go down. Circle right around. Face the other way. Playing this game made us become very good friends. Choo-choo train is a fun game. Let's go around. Chugga, chugga, chug, chug, chug. Side to side, chugga, chugga. Let's go faster. Now we are a little train.
What should we play today?
They look like a real train.
Do you want to give it a try?
Okay.
Now put your right hand on
Your friend's right shoulder.
and put your left hand on
Your friend's left shoulder.
1, 2, 3, 4, step in rhythm and start moving. Choo-choo train is a fun game. Come, gather round. Come on, make a chain. All aboard, chugga, chugga. Let's go faster. Now we are a little train. Let's go around. Chugga, chugga, chug, chug, chug. With our mind, chugga, chugga. Let's all smile. Now we are a little train. Now we are a little train.
Yay! Let's go on a fun trip.
Finally, today is the day of our trip. I will go away to somewhere far and exciting. I will pack my things in a bag and dress up in my best outfit. I'm ready to go on my fun trip. The dancing ocean and green mountains. I don't care where we go. We will make beautiful memories.
Mom, Dad!
Oh, Dory, I have bad news.
I'm sorry, but I have to work, so we can't go, Dory.
What? We made a pinky promise together. I thought for sure we'd go this time. This is terrible.
It's not boring. You'd be surprised at all the treasures you'll discover today.
Treasures?
That's right, treasures. Let's go on a fun trip. Right now together, come let's go away. Discover hidden gold treasures. You don't need to get ready. Just be excited to go. No need to go very far away. Places where you passed unnoticed, a second glance makes them new. You can make beautiful memories.
Come on, let's go on a fun trip. Let's go off right now. Everything seems new and oh so different. Come on, let's go on a fun trip. Let's go off right now. Open the door to your heart and have fun.
Twinkle, twinkle, so shiny. Treasure-filled places. Let us make pretty memories.
Let's go off right now.
Hey, Dory, look at that.
Wow! I've never seen anything like this. Hey, Mommy, let's go over there.
Okay.
Wow!
Cheese! Pitter patter thump thump goes my beating heart. Let's go on a trip while singing a happy fun song. Take a look around places. There are many interesting things. Discovering new things is so fun. Everywhere are hidden treasures, pretty memories. Stack them neatly in your treasure chest. Come on, let's go on a fun trip. Let's go up right now. Everything seems new and oh so different. Come on, let's go on a fun trip. Let's go up right now. Open the door to your heart and have fun. Twinkle, twinkle, so shiny. Treasure-filled places. Let us make pretty memories. Let's go off right now.
Well, Dory, did you have fun today?
Yes, it was the best. It would have been better if Daddy were here too, though. Huh?
Dory!
Come on, let's go on a fun trip. Let's go off right now.
Hey, Dad, take a look at this.
Wonderful.
We took pictures. We went to the museum. We saw a tall tower and everything.
So shiny,
Huh?
so full of
Hey, Dory, look.
Wow!